Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into the future of crisis management planning with the full 2025 guide on how to use Zoho Project. So let's not waste any time and get right down to it. To kick things off, you'll need to first set up a new project on Zoho. This is your central command station where you'll manage all aspects of your crisis plan. The reason we do this is because having a dedicated project space helps keep everything organized and accessible. Once you've set up your project, it's time to add your team members. In the top corner, you'll see an option to add users. It's vital to include all stakeholders in your crisis management plan because when a crisis hits, everyone needs to know their role and responsibilities. Now that we've done that, let's move on to task creation. Go to the Tasks and Milestones tab and start creating tasks that pertain to your crisis plan. This could range from risk assessment to communication setup to emergency response. This helps us because having clearly defined tasks ensures nothing falls through the cracks during a crisis. Next up, we're going to set dependencies between tasks. For example, you can't communicate your crisis response until you've assessed the risk. To do this, just drag and drop tasks in the order they need to be completed. This is important because it helps us map out the sequence of actions during a crisis and ensures that all tasks are executed in the right order. We're almost there. Now let's dive into the Reports tab. Here, you can generate progress reports and analytics. This is crucial because it allows you to monitor the progress of your crisis plan in real time and make necessary adjustments as and when required. Finally, don't forget to make use of the chat feature. This provides a platform for real-time communication with your team, and in a crisis, swift, clear communication can mean the difference between chaos and control. And that's it. You're now ready to use Zoho Project for your crisis management planning. Remember, the key to effective crisis management is preparation and communication. And with Zoho Project, you've got both covered. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay prepared and stay safe.